Hey guys! In today's jollof mass, we have Planty Jollof Rice on the menu. It's the concoction version of Nigerian jollof rice served with fried plantains. It's the kind of recipe you come up with on a day you just finished slicing up the plantains only to find out that you do not have enough oil to fry them with. So yeah, less oil, win-win for everyone. Let's go. I'll be using 2 cups long grain parboiled rice. I've already parboiled it to make it quicker. 2 ripe plantains, salt to your taste, black pepper. You can add any spicy pepper. Smoked mackerel. I have a video for how to do this. Link should pop up on the screen right now. A well-fried tomato stew. Again, I have a video for this. And meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, use seasoning cube and onions to boil the smoked mackerel for a bit so you can get some fish stock that you use to cook the rice. Wash the plantains, then peel and slice. Add some salt and toss to distribute. Use a frying pan to dry fry the plantains to activate the plantain flavor. Just spray or rub some oil, then fry the sliced plantains. If you have an electric grill, it's great for this because it gives the sliced plantains some fancy stripes. While that is happening, debone and break the mackerel into medium pieces. Once you see the lines on the plantain or dark marks if you are using a frying pan, it's okay to take it off. At this time, you can also smell the plantains, the nice aroma of the plantains. In the pot, pour the meat stock, add tomato stew, black pepper or any pepper you're using, salt, once it boils, add the pre-cooked rice. Stir and add the fish and plantains. And more tomato stew on top. Cover and start cooking on low heat. Once that level water dries up, it's done. Stir gently to avoid crushing the fish and plantains. Here, I served it with sautéed vegetables. Yum, yum, yum! Click the boxes above for more jollof recipes. Bye-bye! See you tomorrow!